What makes up a good credit profile?
So the biggest things that can be focused on is one, longevity of the credit file. So how much credit history there is, the longer the better. And then how good that payment history is. Are payments made on time? I think that's the one most people are aware of. Credit mix is also looked at. So that's going to be the blend between the types of accounts that you have a history paying. So you don't want to only have a credit history of just loans or only a credit history of just credit cards. That algorithm that determines the score is really focused on the ability to pay any type of debt successfully and to manage that debt effectively. It's not looking at loan balances, and this is where a lot of people, when they are working on improving their credit, often will pay down things like auto loans or other types of installment debt super fast, thinking that's going to in turn improve their score, but it doesn't, unfortunately. The last thing is inquiries and new credit. Inquiries are a tiny piece of the credit pie. It's part of the 10% of the new credit section. So excessive inquiries will have a severe impact on somebody who may have a very limited credit history. Maybe they only have 1 or 2 open accounts, but is quickly resolved just by the establishment of new history. When building, don't worry about the inquiries. You got to have the history, which means you have to have things on the report.